Hey. All right, so today is Monday, September 16th, and today I broke my record for most winning trading days in a row. It's not like it's anything crazy, it's only four, but yeah, I haven't had three winning days in a row since December of 2023. If you're new to this channel, I've just been documenting my journey trading ES futures using order flow. And so obviously, I want to keep this streak going, but I also don't want to let it get to my head and think that every idea I have is completely unflawed, because that's just not the case. And in reality, I have four winning days in a row, but on one of those winning days, I have, let me check. But yeah, on one of those winning days, I have one losing trade followed by a good winner. And then today, I had two losing trades followed by my best winner in terms of our multiple standpoint that I've taken to date. So that was an 8R. So on my funded account, I'm only trading with one contract and I'm risking 200 points, or I'm sorry, I'm risking $200 per entry. And yeah, today I took a trade where I was risking, see here. So yeah, today I was risking $150 and my plan target was, it's going to sound crazy, you guys, because it's a number you wouldn't normally want to shoot for this, but this was just my thesis. But I was basically targeting a 30-point target around there, and I took it off at 24 points because that's what I felt like I needed to do. But yeah, so it was risk 150 to make 1200 on one ES contract. But yeah, whatever. So I'm 4 days in a row with a winning day. And like I said, again, it's not like this is a crazy streak or anything, but it's my personal record so far. And I want to continue to have winning days, obviously. But yeah, I just wanted to explain to you guys how I think that that even came to be in the first place and how I'm going to do my best to keep the streak alive. So, if you guys have been watching me since May when I started this documentation journey, um, it was very, so I basically, before I started back up trading in May, I had come off like a 3 month break or something. And I documented from the first day that I got back to it. So if you guys go to my account, you can see May and June were very like chaotic months. Like I was not doing things how I do them now. I wasn't doing things correctly. And I've eliminated a lot of my problems that I had, which one of them was taking trades that were not in my trading plan. Another one was taking trades immediately after I stop out. Like I might stop out and then I would literally re-enter within a minute or 2 minutes, the same thesis. Those are my two biggest ones by far, and they took a lot of my profits away from me. So I had to eliminate those. But the last few months, I've been trading 100% aligned with my plan, unless there's something that is so clear to me that it's like I don't even think. And that's another thing. A lot of the trades, or I guess most of the trades that I've put on in the last few months that I've had success, they're like, they're things that they just like, the setup occurs and like I don't even think for a second. Like I see it and I'm like, oh, that's it. And then I take it and then it wins. And it's just crazy how it works like that, because I swear that my losers, it's like I kind of almost trick myself into entering certain ideas. And like this doesn't happen as much anymore, but like what I used to do for sure was like I would come up with like dumbass reasons to enter a trade when the main driver was I want to make money today. So then my brain was looking for, oh, we swept VWAP, oh, we did this or that, like just stuff that is completely unrelated to how I'm supposed to be trading. And yeah, so I was just saying, those trades that like you don't even think about them. They just, you see the setup, it happened right in front of your eyes and it clicked and you put it on and you win. And like it makes me love this shit, bro. Like I just love that, bro. It plays out, or my criteria appears, I enter, I don't have to think about it. And those are the best too, because it's like the probability of it going in your favor. And it's like it's almost like, definitely wouldn't call it stress free, because It's definitely never stress free, but it's way better than one of those trades where you put on and you're just like, you're not even completely sure if you should be in it. And ultimately, what I'm saying, kind of going off on a tangent with that, but those are the trades that I used to put on a lot, and those were the trades that used to take my P&L from me. Back to the point of this video, which is how am I going to maintain the streak, or at least what am I going to do to try to keep it alive? Well, I'm going to change nothing as far as executing based off my plan and taking those entries where I like barely need to think. Like I see it, and if I see it, I take it, and that's that. Because those have just been the best for me the last 2 months, last 3 months even. And I really think that as long as I just keep trading with my plan and keep putting on those trades that are just so clear, like I don't even have to think about them, I just see it, I think that this streak will continue. And I can really see the only way this streak is going to break is if I try to trade with bad conditions and I'm forcing stuff, which I really don't have a problem with anymore. Knock on wood. Knock on wood. It's nice because this streak just happens to be on my funded account that I just got a couple weeks ago. And so, yeah, if you guys have been following my journey, you know I'm just basically using funded accounts to document my journey with that. And I've never had a funded account for more than a week. Actually, only ever had one. But I was gonna change this name of my series to Journey to My First Payout, but I'd imagine that we're kind of, I don't want to jinx anything once again, but like it's kind of seems like a payout's locked in. I'm up 2,500 on a 150K account, and I only need one more day that I have a positive P&L over 200 to take a payout. And if you watch my last video, I already explained I'm probably not going to take the payout until I hit like 6 or 7 thousand profit in this account. But that's just my plan. That's what I'm doing. But yeah, I guess take this video as a message to just stick to your plan, enter those trades that just like jump out at you. Like you don't even need to think about it. Like you just see what's happening and you put the risk on because you have the entry criteria, you know what you're looking for, and it happens. If I've learned anything from the last 3, 4 months of trading in front of you guys on YouTube, it is that those trades that you don't even think about, those are like the best ones. So hope that helps some of you guys out there, and I'll catch you in the next one.